We all know that a presentation can make it or break it. But the hard part is never the slides. It's deciding what really matters, what to leave out, how to tell a clear story, and how to fit everything into a limited time without sounding rushed or overwhelming. And this is exactly why we built Pitch Video. Now, you can turn a structured mind map or even a simple idea into a ready-to-share pitch video in just one click. Pitch Video shapes your ideas into a clear, easy-to-follow narrative. It highlights the key points, organizes them in a logical sequence, and automatically paces the content to match your time limit. Getting started is simple. Just go to Share, choose Export, and select Pitch Video. Pick a theme, choose the aspect ratio, set the duration, click Continue. That's it! And even if you only have a rough idea and very limited time to prepare, you can still start with whatever you have. Go to AI Lab, enter your thoughts, and Xmind AI will turn them into a structured pitch video from scratch. Once your video is ready, you can adjust the background music, download it, or share it instantly. No script writing, no slide-by-slide tweaking, no overthinking. Create your next pitch video with Xmind.